In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to subscribe to Acuity Scheduling. Whether you're managing appointments for your business or personal use, subscribing to Acuity Scheduling will streamline your scheduling process. So let's dive right in and get you set up. First, you'll want to navigate to your Acuity Scheduling dashboard. If you're new to Acuity, this is your central hub where you can manage all your appointments, clients, and scheduling preferences. Think of it as your command center. Log in with your credentials and you'll be greeted by the main dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the option that says Manage Billing. This is typically found in the account settings or the sidebar menu. Clicking on Manage Billing will take you to a page where you can handle all your subscription-related details. Here, you can view your current plan, update your payment information, and most importantly, subscribe to a new plan if you aren't currently subscribed. Next, you'll want to select Subscribe. This will guide you to a list of plans that Acuity Scheduling offers. Take your time here to review the different options. Acuity offers various plans tailored to fit different needs, whether you're a solo entrepreneur or a large organization. Make sure to assess what features you require, such as the number of calendars, custom branding, or SMS reminders. This ensures you choose the plan that best suits your scheduling needs. After you've decided on a plan, go ahead and click on it. You'll then be prompted to enter your payment information. This is a crucial step as it ensures your subscription is activated and ready to use without interruption. Enter your credit card details or use an alternative payment method if available. Double check your information for accuracy to avoid any processing issues. Once your payment information is entered, review everything to make sure it's correct. Confirm the plan you're subscribing to, the payment method, and any additional details. When you're satisfied everything is in order, proceed to finalize your subscription. You should receive a confirmation email shortly indicating that your subscription is active. And there you have it. You're now subscribed to Acuity Scheduling. This subscription will enable you to fully utilize Acuity's features, helping you manage your appointments more effectively and efficiently. Remember, with your subscription, you can always upgrade or change plans later if your needs evolve. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Enjoy your new subscription to Acuity Scheduling and happy scheduling.